This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey gardening fantastics, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys having a great gardening day, or whatever activity, project, hobby that you are involved with today. Hope that you're having a great time and enjoying yourself to the utmost. Yes indeed. Well, the previous video I showed you guys was how to make your plants grow fuller and look prettier, and I was sharing with you guys that it was because of the cuttings. Now down in this box I have a couple of cuttings, and I'll show you, like, demonstrate. See the cutting, and then you just place it. You'll have several. Cut several if you have a plant that big enough that you can have so many cuttings, you know, from a plant. Which, if some of them are long, all you got to do is like this one right here, it's a little bit longer. You would just cut it in the middle, trim off some of the leaves, and then you'll have the little stem left. And that's the part that you're gonna be, the stem part is what you're gonna be poking into your plant. You'll have so many of them in the plant on the top. Sorry about the interruption, gardening fantastics. But yeah, I was pushing the wrong button on this phone. But see, you just stuff them in there till the plant, stuff them till your heart's content, until you want your plant to be as stuffed as possible. And you see me just stuffing that one in there like that. And that's what you do, just cut. They're called cuttings. See, I just cut that off a plant and left enough stem. And you use plants that are easy to regrow from cuttings. Some plants can regrow in water. Some of them you have to let them callus over, meaning you have to let them, the cut end dry up like a callus, like you get on your foot, your hand, whatever. You got to get hard skin, like the sansevieria, the snake plant. Before you propagate, try to regrow that one, you have to let it, when you do your cuttings, you have to let the snake plant cut in, harden over, I guess about 2-3 days, so something like that. Then you put them in the water, and you got to let them stay in the water until they get roots. Now I do have some snake plants propagating, and as soon as they get roots, I'll be back to share with you guys. But these are cuttings. As you can see, you just cut it off from the plant, and you see the those pebbles came off of here so that I can have the little stem. See, that's how you do. You just take the pebbles off and have your stem, and then you just have your a planter, your plant pot, whatever you're going to use. It doesn't matter. Repurpose water bottle, butter dish, it don't matter. Meat box, shoe box, foil pan, it don't matter. Whatever you want to use to propagate your plant. Or you just put it in a pretty planter like this one right here. And this is the planter that I use on my other channel, which you guys, if you want to check it out, it's on my home page in the right hand corner. You'll see the name of my other channel. Click on that and I'll take you over there. If you want to subscribe, be my guest, enjoy the stockpile of food over there, because you heard about the grocery prices are very, very expensive, so it's best to get a stockpile or something. You guys need to check out the news if you're not watching. But anyway, you guys, back to this. Yeah, see how pretty that is? I just filled in all the little spaces that I wanted to. I put it in there the way I wanted to, gave her a little natural hairstyle. And with this particular plant, it looks like her hair is curly and it blends in with her outfit. It's pink tint on this plant. This is a calicoli, and it has some beautiful flowers. I think the flowers, they always come around before spring. It flowered. I think that's what happened. It came before spring. It came around the winter time or something, this plant. That's what I noticed. Well, out here where I am, well, anyway, that's what I'm trying. Well, back to what I'm telling y'all. So all you gotta do is get some cuttings and trim the leaves off. As you can see, the leaves over there are trimmed off. Then you see your little stem. Then you'll poke it in your planter, and you'll put as many as you want to fill it in, and see how beautifully full that is. Look how gorgeous. After that, you can use whatever soil you use, whatever kind of soil you're using. Then water it, and voila. Look what you have. Voila or voila. Voila, voila. You have a gorgeous, full, pretty plant. Isn't it beautiful? Leave any comments. Have you guys filled any of your planters like this to make your plants grow fuller? I'm gonna get off here because I have shared what I was gonna share. I'm just carrying on about nothing. Y'all have a great gardening day, and thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to use your thumbs up button. Don't forget to invite me to your channel. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thanks for your time and support.